Welcome to our channel. Number 5.
Frequent capture interruptions halt automated tests, wasting valuable time. Manual capture solving creates unreliable pipelines and inconsistent results. QA cycles slow down, increasing costs and delaying releases. Developers lose focus, debugging flaky flows caused by challenges. Security research automation stumbles when challenge responses block crawlers. Capture interception automates challenge detection and response handling seamlessly, integrates smoothly with testing frameworks and CI pipelines via API. Configurable rules manage diverse capture providers and adaptive challenges. Low latency interception keeps workflows responsive and tests deterministic. Detailed logs and metrics aid debugging and performance tuning, reduce manual intervention, freeing teams to focus on core tasks, increase CI reliability, shortening release cycles and lowering costs, improve test coverage by handling edge case and rate limit scenarios.
Number 4.
Late night tester, coffee cold, blocked by endless captures, promises of automation stalled by one tiny, repetitive challenge. Teams lose hours, focus drifts from quality to clicks, QA engineers feeling unseen, carrying project weight silently. We built capture interception to bring those moments back. It streamlines capture handling inside automated testing pipelines. Manual verification time drops, team breathes, regains time. Compliant solvers take challenges. Preserving ethical accessibility needs, integrate smoothly with CI, monitoring, and automation tools. No brittle hacks, just clean, auditable workflow improvements. Developers sleep easier, releases flow with confident calm. Accessibility teams finally test real experiences for all users. You reclaim human time for creativity, not clicking, small tool, big compassion care, built into code. Bring peace back to your pipeline. Try capture interception.
Number 3.
Late night automated tests kept failing because captures blocked everything. Deployments stalled, QA queues overloaded, deadlines suddenly felt impossible. I wasted hours manually bypassing captures, productivity tanked fast, clients complained about inconsistent automation and flaky test results. Then I discovered capture interception during a developer community thread. A colleague shared a demo showing seamless capture resolution within pipelines. What hooked me instantly? Reliable capture interception with pipeline integration. It promised automated testing continuity without breaking ethical automation rules. We integrated it into CI, tests started passing consistently overnight, build times dropped, releases accelerated, team morale skyrocketed practically immediately. Accessibility improved to legitimate automation flowed without user friction or false blocks. Setup was painless. SDK, docs, and CI hooks were clean. If you rely on automation, this is a game-changing tool. Imagine shipping faster, testing smarter, and never babysitting captures again. Ready to crush deployment delay.
Number 2.
Imagine captures running like automated unit tests now. Stop manual clicking, let machines validate security interactions confidently. Meet capture interception, precise, repeatable capture testing platform. Streamlines capture testing for faster, measurable security validation. Capture real-time interaction logs for compliance and forensic trails. Recreate tests with full interaction playback and timestamped events. Integrate seamlessly into CI, CD pipelines, and automation workflows. Trigger capture checks in build stages and regression suites. Export audit-ready logs for legal, compliance, and security teams. Support scripting, headless browsers, and programmatic challenge responses. Speed up testing cycles, reduce false positives, save time. Designed for security researchers, web developers, OTM, Asian engineers alike. Creative insights. Simulate adversary flows, measure resilience under load, easy onboarding SDKs, plugins, and clear documentation included for teams. Try capture interception today. Automate, audit, and accelerate security.
Number 1.
Late night engineer, staring at endless capture prompts, tired eyes, builds falter, tests pause, deadlines creep closer every minute. You thought automation would free you, then captures arrived. Manual verifications steal afternoons and patience alike daily. Meet capture interception, gentle guardian for your workflows. Silently detects captures, gracefully resolves them without interruption. No more manual pauses, no more late night verification battles. Integrate seamlessly into your automation and testing stacks. Works with existing tools, saving precious development hours. Boosts throughput, frees teams to build meaningful features. Security researchers rest easy transparency and control remain. Fine-grained logs and safe integration keep trust intact. Imagine shipping faster, testing reliably, sleeping a little easier. Teams reconnect with creativity, not tedious verification loops. Try capture interception today, protect, focus, reclaim time.
Thank you watching this video.